Hello, everyone. My name is Dwight Trollinger. Tonight, I will be singing Creep, originally written and performed by Radiohead. And anyway, this was recently featured in the movie Guardians of the Galaxy 3, which centered on Rocket the Raccoon's journey. I thought it was especially poignant animal for this particular character because he wears a mask on top of his normal mask that we all wear, and I feel like that's something that we tend to do. We tend to mask up when we feel like we don't belong, and that's really sort of one of the central themes in Rocket's life up until, I won't spoil anything for you, so you guys could go ahead. You were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. So very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, she's running out of time. She's running, run, run, run. Yeah, run. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. what the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong.